You got it. It is that time of month. The Minifig Club subscription came in, and we got a whole wacky bunch. Let's go open this up and check these out.
Ray guns, Legos, bricks and toys.
All right, so we got our brand new Minifig Club subscription. I have my old stuff here, but I figured, you know what? Let's do what we always do. Let's open it up, see what all we got, do our card, that sort of thing, because we like doing that. You know what I mean? So we got, let's see, what all do we have here? Is that everything? Yep, that's everything. And that we can get rid of. Alright, look at this. This is nice. This is a very, very, very nice sort of setup. I like how they do this. I really do. Okay, so we got our card here. It says shared with us. Here are a few of our favorite photo submissions from our Facebook groups. We got Sebastian. He's got some pretty cool drawings here with his crayon character. Got Eli, Carter. Excellent job, everyone. Sue. Let's see. Mom and son. This is awesome. They do challenges. So once you are a part of the Minifig Club, here's the thing. Once you're part of the Minifig Club and you are, you know, you've got the subscription, you're doing this, you can get a like postcards, stickers, things. I mean, there's a ton of stuff that you get. Oh, that's cute. So the big postcard this time is from Clark, age 11. Let's say that's kind of around the age of my son. Minifig Club, 250 years. America, 250 years. So our card is actually a patriotic card, Legacy Edition. Let's see, Legacy, the Minifig Club. Who is this? This is Patriotic Pat. Man, that's a cool looking card. I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. This is pretty fun. All right. Now, let's see. Before we go into those, make sure. I feel like I'm missing some stickers here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's like I don't want to lose this sticker. This particular sticker. This is the thing that I need, because that goes on my other card. So let's pull our past stuff out. Another magnet. I'm gonna stick that up there. I've got I need to put up a plate for magnets. So past postcards that we've gotten, some pretty cool stuff. I love it because the community itself that goes to Limericks has a lot of stuff. We get some cool stickers, cool cards, challenges. That was the color card from the last time. Here we go. This is what we need. Now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be our 8th month of doing this. 4 more months. And I can trade this in for a prize. Not quite sure what that is yet, but you know what? I'm always down for a prize. So, we'll put this one. We'll kind of go in line as we've gone here. July will go right there. Boom. Man, look at that. 4 more. And we can call that one a wrap. See what the prize is. Okay. So we were looking at those card wise. Here's what we've gotten so far. So this is this month's card. Is that Patriotic Pat, right? So we've got this one. We started, let's see. Last month was the Carla Color Pop. It's a lot of fun. The Tyler Bro, and I like this one because it's the foiled one. This one as well. Bunny Bon Bon. The Bricky McFinnigans. Minifigans. Lego Master. And then we've got Lucy, Lots of Legs, and Erica Everjoy. So there's some pretty cool like creation in this. I put these on my desk. I'll get that up there. So I like these. Now let's look at the actual minifigs. because that's where we've got all of this. Now, again, this is July. Now, what I get is going to be different than what you get, but you get 3 minifigs worth of stuff, and then we get 1 of our gold, which is usually associated with the challenge somehow. Accessories, parts. So let's go with parts first. Yeah. So our blue is our parts. Here we go. There we go. Oh, nice. So we get, of course, 3 torsos, 3 bottoms, 3 heads. And let's see, we got this really cool looking bottom here. It's almost like a witch sort of bottom, but I like this. I'm not sure what minifig that's from, but look at that, that's cool. It's got like a stitching on there. It's got like a book and a vial. And then we've got some child legs in baby blue. And then we got these work pants, which are pretty cool, like khaki work pants. Then we get this cool trouser piece. I like this. I might actually use that for something else. I finally found my minifig of me, my personal minifig. I'll have to share that one day. Like I do like the minifig factory sometimes. And I have like printed, like I have my hidden disabilities lanyard with Tay on it and Tay on the back, but I kind of wanted to do one that was like this, that was like overalls. So maybe I might use it for my own figure. Then we got the worker body here. That's pretty cool. We got this like a snow bunny, snow fairy sort of body. It's pretty interesting. Oh yes, we got an alien head with 3 eyes. Now I do not have that. That's making me smile. We got a double printed head, so that's nice. And then we got the dude with the sideburns. You know what? Too stereotypical here. Do sideburns, give him that. We're gonna give him these legs right there. I have a feeling he might be working in my new mock, because I might put some street stuff up here pretty soon. We'll give this to this, and then we'll put the alien head. Ooh. All right, and then the last one, we got the blue pants with the overalls, and we're gonna make a young lady. She's super happy. Look there. All right, now that's the figures portion. So now we got to look at the accessories. So with that, and clear that out. We got our minifigs here. We got a whole bunch of these accessories. So let's see. We've got this really cool. Oh man, it's like a Nexo Knight armor piece. That is awesome. You know what? I'm gonna put that on this figure right here. There we go. Looky there. Very cool. Okay, and then we've got this pitchfork. Very nice. Give that to the kid over here. Boom. Alright, and we're going to give the pink cap to her. There you go. And let's see. This one, we've got this this kind of like, not glow in the dark, but this kind of glow wand. Give it glow wand. And we're going to put a waffle on the chest. It's the Waffle King. And we'll give him a golden dagger. Yeah, look at that guy. Oh, I like this. And there's room for stuff on the back, right? Okay, and then let's see. We're gonna give him a construction hat. It's nice. I don't actually have that construction hat. And we're gonna put that on his hat. We'll give him a battering construction of doom. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, And then our last piece, of course, is our gold piece, right? So the gold piece itself is this. Now, everyone should have the same gold piece. So I'm going to open that up and we'll see. Looky there. Blue popsicle. And it's like that translucent blue. There we go. So we'll give that to the kid here. I'm working on the farm. Oh, yes. Okay. It's a lot of fun. Hey, you know what? I dig what they're doing. If you haven't gone through and checked out the Minifig Club, you need to. Listen, the Minifig Club has got they've got everything. They've got, a bunch of random minifigs that you can put together. And I mean, you get an assortment of these, you can start like piecing like a lot of fun characters together. I've got a bin of them now that I'm going through. And I'm piecing different characters and pieces together to go into different cities. I've used some for some of my Lord of the Rings mocks. I mean, I love minifigs. I love changing them up. This is definitely a fun service. It's not expensive. Pay about as much going to a minifigs and more, except this time it's random and you get to be creative and fun with it. You get postcards, you get stickers, you get a community that's amazing. I've been on the show with them, Clicking and Brickin'. That's also part of the Minifig Club stuff. Hey, they love their minifigs. They love Lego. It's a great group to be a part of. Definitely, if you haven't gone to the Minifig Club, go subscribe. I know they had some promotions that were going on, so definitely go see what they have. Let them know that I sent you, so that way they know that these videos are getting out to you, okay? Listen, I happen to like them. I wouldn't stand behind them if I didn't think that they were good. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications to be alerted if anything comes from me to you. Comment down below and like this video. It helps YouTube know that you like what I'm making. Want to help out the channel? Be sure to get something out of the affiliate link down below or in the shop in the link tree in the bio. Hey, I love you all. Jesus loves you more. There's nothing you can do about it. Good luck with the build and happy brick hunting.